Good morning, children. Welcome to English class. Children, in our last session, we have discussed bit A and B of lesson 12. In today's session, children, we will discuss play with words. Bit D. A mouse says squeak squeak. What sounds do these animals make? Match the words. So here, a mouse says squeak squeak. So that is the sound made by a mouse. Now what do these animals say? Now you have to match it. In column A, the name of the animal is given, and in column B, the sound made by these animals is given. Now you have to match it. Here in column A dog says, a cat says, a cow says, a duck says, and a hen says is given. Now the sounds in column B are A, cluck cluck, B, moo moo, C, quack quack, D, meow meow, E, bo oh. Now match it correctly, children. The first one is done for us. A dog says boo. Now a cat says meow meow. So the correct option is it's D. A cat says meow. A cow says moo moo. So draw a line from number 3 to B. Next, a duck says quack quack. So draw a line from number 4 to C. Now the last one, a hen says cluck cluck. So draw a line. Now let us read the match the following, children. A dog says bow oh. A cat says meow meow. A cow says moo moo. A duck says quack quack. A hen says cluck cluck. These are the sounds made by the different animals. Now next, bit E. Rearrange the letters to make the opposites of the words in capitals. So here the words are given and their opposites are given, but in jumbled letters it's given. Now you have to rearrange the letters and write the correct opposite of the word which is in capital. Like the first one, sharp. The opposite of sharp is blunt. So here the letters are given, but you have to rearrange them and write the opposite here on the blank. Sharp, blunt. Now second one, tiny. The opposite of tiny is huge. That means large. Tiny means small, and the opposite of tiny is huge. H-U-G-E, huge. Third one, strong. And the opposite of strong is, by using these letters you have to write it. So rearrange the letters of the word. Strong, weak. W-E-A-K, weak. Fourth one, foolish. Foolish. Opposite is, use the words foolish, wise. W-I-S-E, wise. Fourth one, kind. The opposite of kind is cruel. C-R-U-E-L, cruel. And the last one is front. Front opposite is back. Front, back. Okay, now let's read the opposite, children. Sharp, blunt. tiny, huge, strong, weak, foolish, wise, kind, cruel, front, back. Now next, spelling. In spelling, bit F, fill in the correct letters to complete the words. So here in the box, the letters are given. You have to fill these letters in the blank and complete the word. Okay. So here the letters in the box are FR, PL, DR, GR. Okay. Now first one is dash dash APES. So the word is grapes. 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 Second one dash dash ANT. Now choose the letters from the box, children. It's PL. The word is PLANT, plant. Third one dash dash UM. So here the letters are DRUM, that is drum. Write DR. Now the last one is very easy. It's FROG, frog. Okay. Now here the words are GRAPES, grapes, PLANT, plant, DRUM, drum, FROG, frog. Okay, children. So that is about today's class. Okay. Coming to today's year homework, children, learn and write lesson 12, bit D, E, F in your textbook. Okay, children. That's it for today. See you in the next session. Bye, children.